Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a review of the Anker portable power bank. This is a USB-C portable charger, 10,000 mAh, and this one is the Anker 523 power bank. This has a USB port that will do 12 watts of delivery, and it also has a USB-C, micro USB-C that will do 20 watts of power delivery. So it's pretty fast. As you can see, I'm opening it. This is from Amazon. This cost me $29.99. They had a coupon, so it was 15% off of that. So it's not a bad deal. $29.99. Later on in the video, I'm going to compare it to the older version I bought that last year. As you can see, it comes with the usual Anker little bag, which first I was like, big deal with those bags. But I've had several Ankers now. All of them still work, by the way. And having the bag actually, in comparison to some of my other power banks, keeps them from getting all scratched up, to be honest with you, and gives a little more protection to them. Now, disclaimer with this one, I actually dropped it. You guys didn't see it, but I actually bounced this later on while I was taking it out of the bag. So it got damaged right away when I got it and worked fine, like scratched. No big deal, worked fine. Comes with a USB, micro USB-C, and it comes with a US, was it a micro US or a USB A to USB C cable. And the other one is a USB C cable. I said micro, it's a USB C cable. Anyway, the build's solid. If you double click the button to see the power and all that stuff, it will trickle charge, so it'll turn green. I don't show it in this video, but I've showed it in other videos. If people's ever curious to have something that's very low wattage that won't stay on with the power bank, you double click it and you'll turn green, and it will actually keep it on and trickle charge something that has low wattage needs. And you can see there you go, the USB A to USB C cord and the USB C cord that it comes with, which is pretty cool. Manual, which I never look at, but I have to make sure I disclaimer and show you that it actually does come with a manual that I don't actually read ever. I've had plenty of these. As you can see, there you go. That's your USB-C right there cable. Pretty simple. You charge off of that cable too. No one needs to see me plug it in, but I will plug it in or later on. But it's just like any Anker, it's going to blink when it's charging. So that's what you'll know. And there's your USB-A to USB-C one. Anyway, it looks good. It looks just like I believe it is the Anker 313 is the older version. The Powercore Slim, that one. There it is charging right there. Charges exactly as the 313 and charges just like one of my 20K ones I have. Here's a comparison. So there's your USB, your my 523. There's your 313. So the older version 313. 313 has one extra input, which is a micro USB, as you can see. Also, the max wattage on the Anker, the older 313, is 12 watts. And also that USB-C and that micro USB port do not charge. They are used to charge it, so it can't charge or be recharged that way. It can only be charged that way. So anything you plug into that, it will draw wattage from it. So there's a difference. 20 wattage, 20 watts. So it's going to charge your phone or whatever you're doing a lot faster. Here we are. We're going to test it on a Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. This is the African version. I actually got it off of Amazon. It's a phone version, so you can actually talk on this. I have it Mint Mobile on it. I'll put a link in the description. I love this tablet actually. I got it for like maybe $100. I think it was brand new. Anyway, let's test it with the USB-C. So we're plugging it into here. Let's see if it'll charge it. And by a disclaimer, I fully charged it, I believe, beforehand. I might not have. A lot of times they come with charge. So as you can see, it charges it, no problem. So that was no issue in regards to charging this. And this was fully tested for 2 weeks. Even though you're seeing me do this right now in this video, I had this for full 2 weeks. And I work night shifts at one of my jobs, and I use the heck out of power banks to keep, one of my jobs is a sleep position. So I keep my phone charged, my tablet, which plays movies all night. You see, here we go testing with the USB-C on this one. Now watch this. Even though you think it's charging, it is not charging. I hit the button, but it is not charging. Now, if I'm going to look at the actual, this is the Anker 313, the older version I bought last year. If you look at it, if I hold it up, it's actually the Anker 313 is recharging, excuse me, the Samsung Galaxy Tab is recharging the Anker 313. because that port is not to recharge anything. It's only to charge that power bank. So you're drawing energy from that. So remember that. In the micro USB port, as you can see right there, that is not on the newer version. I kind of miss that one because it gives you another place to charge it in case you were to break that only port. But it is what it is. I have yet to break an Anker. And like I said, with this one, I dropped it and bounced it, and it works fine. There was no issues with it. I have yet to break a power bank like these. Anyway, you can see the size of the 313 and the newer 523 are pretty much similar in size, as you can see right there. How they look similar too. I'm going to actually show this in comparison to the 20K. That's the 20K right there. I'll leave a link in the description for that one. I like that one too. And here's the thing about all of them. I had to, luckily, I took these Ankers with me when we went to Portugal. Taking them with me was a big deal because I didn't realize I have no micro USB, or excuse me, no USB A cords with me, or USB C cords, excuse me. And in the newer cars that we had a VW Polo, there was no regular charger. So we had to live on these. And then the hotel we were at didn't have very good plug-ins. So yeah, we had no USB ports in there. So we literally used them for 2 weeks. So anyway, links will be in the description for the Anker 523, which is a newer version, 10,000 mAh with a max output of 20 watts. I want to thank everyone for watching, and this is on Amazon at $29.99 with a 15% coupon. Links will be in the description. Like and subscribe. Everyone, thanks for watching. Get out there and do some adventures of your own and enjoy being outside and doing whatever you're going to do. But these power banks are pretty much essential. You need them when you're out there doing all the good stuff. Anyway, this is Fruit Panda. Fruit Panda is out. Thanks for watching, everyone.